India versus Afghanistan T20 Series 2024 First T20 match. Date 11 January. Time 7 p.m. Venue Punjab Cricket Association Stadium, Mohali. Both team match details and playing 11. Team India playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Number 3 Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 Ishan Kishan. Number 6 Rinku Singh. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Arshdeep Singh. Number 9 Ravi Bishnoi. Number 10 Deepak Chahar. Number 11 Mohammad Siraj. Afghanistan team playing 11. Number 1 Hazratullah Jajai. Number 2 Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Number 3 Ibrahim Jadran. Number 4 Hasmatullah Shahidi. Number 5 Nadibullah Jadran. Number 6 Muhammad Nabi. Number 7 Azmatullah Omarzai. Number 8 Rashid Khan. Number 9 Nabinul Haq. Number 10 Mujibur Rahman. Number 11 Qais Ahmed.